Hello everybody, my name is Greg Cochran and I am with Pilko and Associates. I'm here today with Mark Turri. Mark is one of our many associates that we have working on projects for Pilko. But Mark has something special to talk to you about today. We have been developing, or I believe you guys have been developing, a new intellectual property. Tell us about what's the subject, how does it work? Give us a little bit of a background of what you've been working on.
Yes, thank you, Greg. The project that we've been working on is really built upon something that Pilko has had for a number of years called 8 Drivers methodology. It was originally designed to look at operational and EHS risk for our clients. Due to some feedback we received from our clients and also seeing what's going on in the industry, we decided to use that same tool and modify it to look at more of the people side of the business, something that we call organizational capability. In very simple terms, organizational capability means to us delivering expected results on a sustained basis. And we don't know how to do that any other way than to look at the people side of the business.
Okay, so you mentioned 8 drivers a couple times there, and I think I understand this, but what's the difference between the operational EH&S risk and the organizational capability? Is one going to replace the other, or are they the same? Just give me a little bit of...
Yeah, let me explain that. We took the original 8 drivers platform, and we do not plan to replace that. If a client would like us to look at operational and EHS risk, we'd be happy to do that with the tool. If they want us to look more at the organizational side of the business, we're modifying the original 8 drivers to have more of a focus on the people side of the business, to look at things like leadership, to look at things like competency, to behaviors, strategy, and work environment.
Okay, so thanks for that. That's a good answer. I understand that. So it's more about the people side of the human element or the human focus part of the organization. But is there a certain area of need there? Is there a certain industry? Is there a certain, where would this be applicable and who needs to take a look at this?
Well, what's happened to us is that, again, looking at the industry and listening to our clients, I think people have become more and more aware, sort of an obvious conclusion, that people are a pretty important part of the equation if you're going to go for operational excellence. And so we've developed this tool to help our clients look at that. And that's what the purpose of the tool is. It can be used in any industry. Our initial focus has been in the process industries, refineries and chemical plants, but it really could be used anywhere.
Okay, so much more about the human side of
Yes.
the organization and how they perform. So probably just a glimpse into what you might want to know. If you want to know more about organizational capability and Pilko's 8 drivers methodology, please check us out at www.pilko.com and you'll see a lot more information there about it. Mark, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.